Hi, I'm Hillary Hess, here from Helping of Happiness. I'm going to show you today how to make our delicious pumpkin cupcakes with Snickerdoodle Frosting. You can find this recipe in our Best Ever Babysitter Cookbook. It's on Amazon, and I think you're going to love these cupcakes. They're easy to make, and they're super fun and festive for fall. All right, we're gonna start out with our pumpkin. I really like this, it's a Xylus can opener. It's really easy to use. So we're just gonna open up our can of pumpkin. Oh. Easy peasy. We need 1/3 cup. Got that in there. Pop it in. And then we're gonna use our vegetable oil, and we just need 2 tablespoons. There we go. And then we need 3 eggs. 1. Now, if you have kids cooking this with you, I always recommend when the kids are doing the eggs, or even people that have not got a lot of egg experience, or just anybody who's really never got getting shells in the eggs, to do it in a separate bowl and then pour it in. That way you can pick out the shells before it's mixed in with all your other ingredients. Okay, our last ingredient for this is going to be our spice cake. Just mix it around. You're going to want to scrape the sides so you got all that yummy cake mix on the sides. And we want to get that all in there. Scrape the bottom if you need to. Wipe your little scraper on your beaters. And keep going for the straight line. Now that it's all mixed, we're going to put this in our muffin tins, in our cupcake pans, and then we're going to bake it at 350 for about 12 to 15 minutes, and we'll see how yummy it is. There you go, squeeze harder. Good. There you go. It's just got air to tighten it. Yeah, that's why you want it really tight. There you go. Doing fine, just go in a circle. There you go.